Hi everyone, it's Justine. Be still, my beating heart. I am finally going to open up my advent calendar. So, just to let you know, for every day from December 1st until the 24th, I am going to have a video opening up this beauty. And all I've done so far has opened up this tiny little hole. I haven't opened any doors yet. I'm going to do all of the reacting blind here on camera, so I have no clue what's in here besides just looking at the picture on the back. It looks like there's some fun goodies there. It does say that it is a delightful advent calendar that contains 24 crafty surprises, including cutting dies, stamps, embossing folders. Looks like they're nice and little. And then stencils and embellishments. It says just add paper, inks, and adhesive to create dozens of projects. And of course, if you are using cutting dies and embossing folders, you're going to need to have some kind of a machine to do that. So either the Spellbinders Platinum 6 or I have the Spellbinders Platinum, that's the 8-inch, and I just find that to be kind of my favorite because it is nice and big. So come on back on December 1st and I'm going to open up this wonderful surprise.